Hello, writers! Welcome to our writing lesson. I am Miss Caro from Second B, and I appear in this picture. Writers, I have read some pages, and I'm so proud of you. Writers, you have improved a lot, mainly in expressing your ideas and also in your beautiful drawings. Sometimes when you write, you are so energetic that you forgot things that are so important to express ideas. This also happened to me once. I will tell you. Weeks ago, when I decided to write about a topic that I know a lot about, I was so enthusiastic about writing my own book. When I started, I forgot to start my writing with capital letter and also to separate my ideas using full stops. I didn't notice, but Miss Javi did. Miss Caro, your ideas are good, but that is not a complete sentence. There is no capital letter and no full stop. I couldn't believe it, but she was right. I figured out that writers include capital letter and final period in each sentence to explain their ideas in a complete way. Can you see my mistakes? No capital letter and no periods. So now I'm going to start my sentence with capital letter, and at the end I'm going to put a period. But when Miss Javi read it, she told me that the idea was not complete. What kind of things you are combined? Then I answered pauses, meditation, and breathing. So then I added them. Writers, look, my sentence now is complete. Capital letter, period, and express a complete idea. Let's see some common mistakes. Can you see the mistakes? No capital letter, no full stop, and you have a complete idea. So let's do it again. Yes, capital letter, full stop, and a complete idea. Can you see the mistakes? No capital letter, no full stop, and you have a complete idea. So let's do it again. Yes, capital letter, full stop, and a complete idea. Let's see another typical mistake. Here we don't have a capital letter, full stop, and neither a complete idea. So we are going to fix this problem and yes, now we have a capital letter, a full stop, and a complete idea. Writers, remember when you write sentences, you must start them using capital letter and end them with full stop. Also, write complete sentence, answering who does the action or what are you talking about. Writers, take your copybook, go to your writing place, and it's time to write. Writers, now it's time to continue writing about your topics. Remember to start your sentence using capital letters, end them with full stop, and write complete ideas. Goodbye, writers. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Bye.